heck of a light show down to the south. I'm sitting right at Route 72. Sycamore's over that way. Rochelle's about right there. And it's just not letting up. So I imagine there's going to be some pretty heavy flooding. There's lightning all around. Lightning to the north, to the south, to the west. About the only place there isn't lightning is straight east. I'll wipe the windshield. And there you go. Sweet. So hopefully this stuff decides to stop for a few days. But that's the first thunder I've heard in a while. But we're sure getting a heck of a light show. So take care.